me some upchurch.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. I do a lot of YouTube. What's going on? Oh, this is nice. Is this a 2-chamber split?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I've never seen something like that.
And it is 8-series sound subs, all prototypes. So let's see what we got here. We got.
So these are prototype subs. They're called Serious Sounds.
Serious sound.
Okay. The 12s.
Yep.
Oh wow. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Looks good. I like it. You know is it a port, just ported?
2.5 per sub, ported in the center. What do you want to hear?
Something around your peak frequency. Something you know it does pretty well.
So, what do you want to hear?
A specific song? Or something with lows, a little windy?
I'm not,
or
you know what? I go anywhere from 20 hertz to 50 hertz.
Okay.
So, I mean, we could do
something in the mid-30s?
You know what? I'm going to be an ass on this video.
You play whatever you want, man.
Let's see if I can get this up here.
How much power is on these subs?
6,000 RMS.
All right.
I got 2 Orion 3Ks.
Okay.
So, and that one there is just as nasty.
Yes, okay.
You can do whatever you want. You can roll the window, you're
good, okay.
And we do, like I said, 26 to 48 and 812s, nothing big, 6,000 watts.
All right, nice.
Home built, me, I'm a trim carpenter.
Is there a way I can see the amplifiers?
Yes, sir, anytime you would like.
Awesome.
Open that door.
Nice. So you have this stage on each side like this?
We have an Orion 3K on this side, and that there is one of my 5 1/4s and my 6s right here. I have 8 subs. And then on the other side, yeah, it's kind of hard to tell with everything crammed in right here. And you know what? I'm not doing big numbers. I don't care to do big numbers. I want to be the one that makes you think.
Do you have an upgraded alternator?
Yes, I got an LS350 alternator.
Okay. Noise ordinance is your on the sticker out front.
Sure.
All right.
50 alternator, eBay. What's up?
It works.
Yeah. And then we got a regular
Stock battery up front
oh,
or AGM?
AGM.
Okay.
And then we got 4 in the center console.
Oh, the center console has the batteries.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, got it. Okay, they're
4 in the
underneath.
center console.
So you kind of built the center console and the batteries are right underneath it.
Yes, sir.
There you go. That's a good idea.
All 0 gauge.
All right.
SkyHigh.
Yep.
I'm only running this amp until I can get one of Serious Sound's amps in.
Yep. It works. All right. Awesome. I'm ready.
Yeah, let's find, there we go. I'm gonna roll up my window.
All right.
It's so big. She looks like one of those rap guys' girlfriends. But, you know, who understands those rap guys? They only talk to her because she looks like a total prostitute, okay? I mean,
Jacob from JacobViral, are you? I got something for you.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
she just I like big.
See, you all right?
I'm good. That's pretty peaky. That's a higher frequency, probably 48, 50 hertz range.
It's 48 hertz.
It is? Okay.
And we do, like I said, 26 to 48. And 812s, nothing big, 6,000 watts.
All right. Nice.
Home built, me. I'm a trim carpenter. I mean, I'll turn around and put something else on you.
Yeah, man. Do you have something we can put with the windows down, maybe?
Whatever you want.
All right. Yeah.
Tell me.
All right. Yeah, windows down, something a little lower.
You know what? We're gonna play some upchurch. Okay.
Sometimes I get stoned in my backyard, lay off in the tall grass on the view of the stars. I think about never can get to clear my thoughts from all the thunder and lightning, so I feel a spark.
That's good. Oh, yeah, good bandwidth.